I'll be honest, this is the dirtiest room in our house. We've let it get this bad for weeks, all in the name of science. Because we have a theory that the future of cleaning is so smart, it can handle even, well, this. So, we've gathered some of the most talked about cleaning gadgets of 2025. We've got an AI robot mop that literally sees dirt, and a gadget that claims to make scrubbing a thing of the past. Today, we're unleashing them on this mess. Are they worth the hype? Let's find out. Section 1. The mysterious carpet stain. First up, this rug. It's seen better days, for sure. It's a magnet for spills, but this one? I honestly have no idea what it is or where it came from. It's dark, mysterious, and very set in. This calls for a specialist. And that specialist is this: the Hoover Clean Slate XL Spot Cleaner. I've heard amazing things about this one for tackling exactly these kinds of impossible stains. It's a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner, and the promise is simple. Use powerful suction to pull out messes you thought were there for good. This is one of those gadgets that just flat out works. Honestly, for tough stains on carpets, upholstery, even the car, this thing is a 10 out of 10 lifesaver. Section 2. The sustainable, chemical-free solution. Alright, the rug is saved, but the rest of the room is just gross. We're talking sticky windowsills, dusty bookshelves, that weird film on the nightstand. I could use a mountain of disposable wipes and a bottle of harsh chemicals. Or, we could try something that feels like it's straight out of science fiction. This is Force of Nature, and it's an electrolyzed water system. The concept is wild. You take regular tap water, add a little capsule of salt and vinegar, and this device uses electricity to convert it into a super powerful, non-toxic disinfectant. Let's try it on this nightstand with its sticky rings and layer of dust. Just spray and wipe with a microfiber cloth. There's no harsh chemical smell at all. It just smells clean. And look at that. The grime is gone, with no residue left behind. Section 3. The Window Cleaning Robot. Meet the Ecovacs WinBot W1 Pro. This little guy promises a streak-free shine without you lifting a finger. It works by using powerful suction to literally stick to the glass. And yes, putting your faith in that suction for the first time is a little nerve-wracking, but it also has a safety tether for peace of mind. Its secret to a streak-free shine is the dual-direction cross-spraying technology. Let's set it loose on this filthy window. You place it on the glass, turn it on, and the suction grabs hold. It's surprisingly secure. Now I just hit start in the app, and there it goes. It moves in a methodical pattern, making sure to cover every inch. The motor is just a quiet hum in the background. Section 4. The Grand Finale. The AI-powered overlord. The rug is clean, surfaces are sanitized, windows are sparkling, but the floors are still a complete disaster. It's time for the grand finale. Let's bring out the big guns. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra. This isn't just a robot vacuum. It's an AI-powered cleaning command center on wheels. First, let's talk power. It's packing a massive 10,000 pascals of suction. It uses an RGB camera and 3D structured light to see and identify obstacles in real time. We're talking shoes, cables, pet waste. You name it. Check this out. It has a flexi-arm side brush that actually extends out to get into corners and along edges. That one spot most round robots always miss. For mopping, its VibraRise 3.0 system uses high-speed scrubbing for dried-on messes, and it automatically lifts the mop up to 20 millimeters high on carpets. Now it's back on the hard floor, mop down, scrubbing away. This is truly next-level home automation. Call to action. So, which of these gadgets impressed you the most? Was it the stain-destroying Hoover or the super-smart Roborock? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And of course, if you want to check any of these out for yourself, I've dropped links to everything I used today down in the description box. If you enjoyed seeing the future of cleaning in action, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos where we test the most innovative gadgets on the market. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning innovative cleaning tools that will blow your mind.